In simple terms, it's when a trucker's equipment is down and not making money. This is often due to a traffic accident or the negligence of a mechanic. In order to pursue a claim through our office, the incident needs to be the other party's fault. Since DOT statistics show that only 16% of all trucking accidents are the trucker's fault, professional truck drivers are almost always the innocent party. When rolling assets don't move, no income is produced. However, trucking businesses continue to have those fixed expenses like insurance, truck payments, trailer payments, and office expenses. Large losses of revenue add up very quickly. For example, our client Joe was parked and sleeping when a rookie driver hit his rig. Joe was down for 3 weeks for repairs. This downtime was financially devastating for him. We considered that entire 3 weeks lost income as money he should be reimbursed for from that bad driver.